When students come to California Western, they're expecting a practical hands-on experience, and when they enroll and participate in the Competitive Advocacy Program, they're getting exactly that.
Well, competitive advocacy is more than just, practicing and going and doing competitions. It's actually building your soft skills in court or in negotiations or before an appellate panel. Because a lot of people don't really get that experience until they're about 4 or 5 years into their careers. Whereas through these programs, we're able to actually get those soft skills and develop them and come into our careers hitting the ground running, essentially.
When the treaty's essential provisions are violated, it gives all rights to any party under this treaty to bring forward a claim.
It prepares law students in a completely different way than other law schools and than other experiences. It doesn't matter what area of law you are doing, you will be a better prepared lawyer if you go through the Competitive Advocacy Program.
The Competitive Advocacy Program has 3 branches. We have trial, we have appellate, and we have ADR, which stands for Alternative Dispute Resolution.
In our doctrinal classes, we're really focusing on the legal doctrines and theories, whereas with competitive advocacy, this is like an actual application of what we learn in class.
My participation in CAP made it so that my doctrinal courses were so much easier. So in exam time, I feel far more prepared because of my CAP experience. I now know the law so much better because of it.
What we've noticed with students that participate in the Competitive Advocacy Program is that they're years ahead of the competition out there. When they graduate, they don't have to learn how to do a direct examination. They don't have to learn how to do a cross or a closing or an opening statement. They don't have to learn how to introduce evidence or cross-examine or impeach a witness. They know how to do that.
Even if it feels daunting, even if it's scary to go and present yourself to the world, you are going to receive so many rewards from being a part of this program than you would ever imagine.
Our students are really hardworking, they're dedicated, they're focused, they're very committed to what they're doing, and they're competitive. They like to compete and they like to win, and we do win.
In my personal time on the team, I've won 5th place for the memorials that we've written, 2nd place, and then 3rd place in the world most recently. So we have just a history of succeeding.
This is a case of negligence. My team placed 4th out of those 20 teams, and I won top advocate.
There's very few instances in a person's life where they get an opportunity to be a champion. In this program, we have people who become champions.